Hello everybody, Star is back on Smart Depot. I took a 2 weeks mini vacation and you are just trying to get rid of my face. Okay, so a lot of things has happened, including the iPhone 17 launch, which I've been showing and posting on Facebook. So if you're not following us on Facebook, you're really missing a lot. But today I want to talk about Windows 11, 25H2, which will be officially released next month to the public. But what if I tell you that I can show you how you can do it, install it in your system like I did in this one. It's running Windows, official Windows 11 25H2, the latest update with some interesting new features. Well, come with me, let me show you. Okay, welcome back to Smart Depot. So quickly, I'm going to show you how to check which version of Windows 11 you are on, or any version of Windows. Click on the Start menu and then search for Run to open up the Run application, and then type WINVER, WinVer, and hit Enter. It will pop out the Windows version you are on, whether it's Windows 10, Windows 11. This works for every Windows. As you can see, we are in that Windows 11 24H2, but right now we're going to go and make it Windows 11 25H2, the latest one. If you don't want to wait till mid October, you can get it right now. So I'm going to take you to this website, Windows Central. They have gotten the official Microsoft ISO of that Windows 11 22. So you can go to your system and check for updates. It's not going to come out. It's coming out from October where you start seeing the updates. So we're going to download that ISO straight there. There are over 38 languages, so it's available in every language. And it's a multi-pack, whether you're Windows Home, Windows Pro, whatever one you are in, it will be able to install and update the latest Windows 11 25H2. So let me just go in, and I've downloaded it now. So let me show you how to install it into your system. So we're going to run the ISO. Just double click on that ISO file if you're on Windows 10 and higher, and it will open up the ISO file. It will load it like CD image. Then you can now go to the executive setup and double click on the setup, and that's it. It's going to prepare, tell you a whole lot of things, getting ready to do this and all the series, and then it will start installing it. In this one, it will be installing it while the screen is on, so it will go on installing and installing and installing, and after that it will reboot several times. So let's see that. Okay, so the Windows have rebooted, several times, during the installation, and this is official. This is official release. Today we're going to say check for update because we've now installed a new Windows, and there you go. There is already an update for Windows 11 25H2. Why you haven't seen it yet on general for everybody? We're going to install the update, restart, and then make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I'll keep you updated for all the new features. That should be out in about a week's time. All the new features and everything new on the Windows 11 25H2. So we are done with the installation of the Windows H2 22, and it's that simple. You just have to be there to make sure that everything goes cleanly, well, the way it should. And what else? We're going to check our Windows version again. We're going to go to WinVer by going to Start, click searching for Run and opening the Run app and type in WinVer, and it will show us now that we are on Windows 11 25H2. And also you can also just go in to check for updates. So we're going to go back to our updates. Everything looks up to date, but we're going to say check for update because we've now installed a new Windows, and there you go. There is already an update for Windows 11 25H2. Why you haven't seen it yet on general for everybody? We're going to install the update, restart, and then make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I'll keep you updated for all the new features. That should be out in about a week's time. All the new features and everything new on the Windows 11 25H2. Make sure you follow me here, drop a comment in the comment section. Looking forward to that, and until I see you in the next video, it is peace to our world.